This is the jewel of the Zorba property.
I mean,
And you can see why.
100%. I mean, this is beachfront. How many bedrooms and bath is this villa?
The villa that we're in right now has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. This villa has one of the most incredible connections to the Caribbean Sea of any villa in Tulum.
This is what you think of. This is Tulum. You kind of just feel relaxed the moment you step right into this spot.
We were very lucky to have the locations that we do in Tulum. The nature here is so powerful. It's so beautiful. Being right on the sea, very minimalistic design just allows you to really connect with what makes Tulum special. So in 2018 is when we reopened this as the Zorba Villa concept. And you'll find that all the villas are unified in style with the soft curved walls and also the handcrafted tiles, which are from Merida inland.
When this went through the remodel in 2018, was it a drastic remodel?
We were renting this villa out as a vacation rental standalone on the properties for about 10 years.
Wow.
But it had a very, very different look. This villa was brought down to the bone, and we started to look around the property, and that's what inspired the concept.
It's that organic bohemian flow that just starts from the water and goes all the way back. And when you're here, you want to kick off your shoes, put your feet in the sand, and enjoy. So down here, kind of walk us from floor to the top.
You come in from the beach right into the living area. There's a few nests that you can nestle up in just to enjoy the incredible view. Then you flow into the kind of main dining area. This villa sleeps 12. So everything is set up for 12 people.
And there's how many bedrooms on this floor?
There's 1 bedroom on this floor.
Okay. Second floor, how many bedrooms are up there? Well, that had to be 4. I can do math. Yeah, I had.
The first bedroom is a queen size bed. And then the next bedroom, it has a double bed and then bunk beds. And the best rooms are front facing. You get to wake up with the sound of the waves and the ocean.
Regardless of the room, you want to come out, you want to kick your flip-flops off, which is time that we're kicking our flip-flops are off. We are going outside. I mean, it's a pool, waterfall going right into the ocean. I mean, this is paradise. Was there anything on the very top, a little lookout or anything?
Absolutely. The rooftop has a few loungers for shade, and it has incredible views.
This has another thing that's also you guys work with?
Yes, so this is part of a collection of properties called Zorba Collective. It's a 10-minute walk between the two properties. They offer a similar concept.
Let's grab some margs. You said a 10-minute walk. Can we do the beach?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, 10-minute walk.
Best way.
Grab some margs. Are you drinking mezcal or regular?